What up, YouTube? It's your boy Spyder 1330 back with another video. So in today's video, I will be installing. Let's see, put this here. A Can-Am Spyder RT Limited handlebar risers. Because let me sit this here for a minute. When I'm on this bike, and mind you, I'm short. When I'm on this bike, my arms are locked straight. I'm gonna be bent. Last time I rode all day, I had pain here in the shoulder. I had a pain in this collarbone. Here like this, right? I want to be like this here. I want to bring the handlebars closer to me. So I got handlebar rods. I got to take this stuff off and bring it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take everything off first, and then I'm going to get back to y'all when we do the install. Okay? Let me show y'all what we got. You know what? Let me take everything out first over here, and then I'll get back to y'all with the install. Because I got quite a few things I need to take off of this. Y'all see it. Y'all see all of this, right? Y'all see it all. Got my music, GPS, 360 camera mount, water bottle mount. So I gotta remove that stuff. And then also the docking station. Gotta remove all that. So we're gonna do that. Alright? Once I do that, and then I'm gonna get back to you, alright? So I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. So I put a towel here. Just wanna take this stuff out, I don't scratch this up. Alright, so let's see what we got first. So this is a 1 1/4 inch handlebar riser for the Can-Am Spyder RT Limited. And have for the RT F3. Okay. You know the same old thing coming in the box. Same old sticker. This is another brochure. Accessories. And I have the extended bolts because I have also the docking station. So they gave me extended bolts. I got the extended bolts for the docking station. And the actual items right here. Let's see. Come on. Tape want to act up. Get this tape off. You made it to your destination now. Let me see if I can put it up here. That should still be it here. Get it out of the way. Oh, there it is. This is the hardware. I see the hardware that comes with it. You see these bolts, right? Now you see the difference in the length from those and those. So these you would use if you didn't have a docking station and you're just using this here, which is made out of billet aluminum. It's heavy too. It is foam I can use in my toolbox. I've been waiting to get some more of this. But I don't throw bolts away. I always keep bolts and nuts, extras. I never throw those away because you never know you're gonna need them. To me, they can always come in handy. So you have this billet aluminum. Got a pin right there. It's heavy. So first thing I'm gonna do is take off this docking station that I put on here. Yeah, right. That's the only thing about when you're doing stuff to your bike. Gotta go back. You know, once you put something on, you want to just leave it. Now you gotta go back and do it again and again. Now you're gonna use these washers that come off this here. Don't get rid of the washers, because the washers you're gonna reuse. So you take your washers and I'll sit them on the seat. These bolts I can sit over here. These washers are gonna be reused. And make sure you get you some Loctite. I didn't ask for one because I still have some blue Loctite. See, this is the docking station. Forgot about these. I guess those go back also. And I hope I don't need the other ones. No, it shouldn't. Now I loosen the bottom ones. But see, I think it's a smaller hole. So this is, for the top ones, was a bigger hole. That. Let's put that one there. Let's try a smaller one now. Okay. Hold on to your handlebars. Don't let them drop. You also got to pull up on your wiring, because being that the handlebars are going to be raised, you need to give you some more space on your wiring, on the wires that's on your handlebars. Shit. Yeah, I don't think I ever removed those before. That's why. That's right. So hold on to your handlebars so don't just drop. I don't want to do that and damage nothing. Take a handlebar, slowly lay it down. Lay that down there. Like I said, these washers you're going to reuse. So don't get rid of your washers. Just the bolts. Now your handlebars, you want to pull up, give yourself some more slack on the wire. Okay, because now you're raising your handlebars. So you need to pull that up. Okay, so now there's a hole in the back here. Goes in that pinhole. And line up the same way. Oh, it's the same shape. Just on the base is like another one, just putting it right in front of it. Just like that. And you open your next package. Put that in there. And make sure I got enough wire space. Being that I brought the wires out. Let's make sure there's enough wire space now for the handlebar. Okay, perfect. Not too much. Perfect. I didn't bring. And pull it out too far, which is good. Put your washers back on. 1, 2. And everything always go good too when you got the proper tools. That's what I love. When you got the what you're working on, most of the time, when you got the right tools, everything should go smoothly also. So now you got that. Got your Loctite. I don't use a whole lot, and this will go a long way. Eventually I want to buy a bigger bottle of Loctite to use because I'm always doing something. But for now, this should be good. Your blue Loctite. And alright, so now your thread lock, little blue thread lock on the bolts. Let me see, I can find somewhere to stand them up. Hopefully the wind don't knock them over. A little on each one. And then close this back up. That way. Now, take, there's a hole in your handlebars. It goes on into this hole here. Like that. Then you take this cover. Probably better if you got two people with you. Take this cover, hold it here. Like that. Like that. Reach on over. Mm-hmm. Reach on over and try to lock them in. No, extending one is probably only for the front. Let me see something. Might have to use a factory one. Let me use it to hold it still. Let me get another one. You know, because I got the thread lock. I don't want to lock that complete because I only need extension for the. I need it for the whole thing. Just thought about that. I just need it for. Let me let this down. I don't need all four of these. I don't think for the extension. I just think I need two, not four. For the docking station, it's just for the docking station. So I need two of these and two of those. I think it's two of these. I think it's two of these and two of those. So I'm gonna take wash off of this one. Put it on here. There's the shorter ones, I forgot. You only need two of the real long ones. So I'll put some thread lock on those two shorter ones. this thread lock on there. I'll hold it together. The cap back on here. Put that back in the pocket. Alright, once again, we're gonna line everything up. This. How you doing? How you doing? Thank you. Alright, so lock your pin in, lock the bar in. This is not easy. Put this here, that, and try to hold it with strength and each one of these bolts at the same time. Try to get another one. The shorter ones go to the bottom hole. Shorter one on the bottom like that. These are too small. Get the other one. So let me put make sure you still got the proper slack you need it. Put some of this back because I want all that out. Then take my docking station. Put that like this. Whoa. Okay, so we gotta need some weight. That one just took my tent, y'all. Hold on one second. Got a little breezy out here. It just went with it. Okay, we're gonna put a big old cone here. Hopefully that'll hold it. This big old cone here. Hold it. Put this one on the back end. Put a brick. Let me put a brick on the back of there. Okay, so put a brick on this one. And a brick, y'all. Put a brick up against it. Make it more stable. There we go. Oh, I forgot to stabilize these here, y'all. Let's do this part. I'm gonna put the tent together. Did that one right? No, I didn't. There you go. Just had to adjust this here. I got the little breeze. I didn't know the breeze. It's gonna be a breeze. There we go. All right. So. All right. Back to business. So, put your docking station. Now you use the extend bolts. I think these went inside, right? Yeah, these were inside. Yeah. There you go. And this one should have went all in without being so tight. But all right, I'm gonna sit on the bike so I can adjust my bars the way I would like for them to be. How big this is. Getting a little tighter. Yeah. Okay. Now adjustable. I want to. Yeah. Good. On the side. Yeah. Up or relax. Right there. We go. Now the torque spec, I forgot the numbers, but this is aluminum, so you know not to over tighten it, and that's what I'm doing. I'm just not. I don't have the torque specs, but I'm just tightening enough where that's it. I'm not gonna over tighten it. I'm not gonna pop no bolts, but just enough we. You'll know. I mean, common sense. You don't want to over tighten it, but you want just enough where you're good to go. Right? And then, yeah, feel much better. Let me turn it on. Perfect. Big difference. Yeah. And my arms are bent now. They're not straight up. I think I like them this high, so I want to lower it. Trying to see if I like them this high. I think I might want them a little lower. I feel like a little too high for me. Down just a little bit. This is better. You got any mangoes? How much? Okay. All right. Yeah. All right. Okay. All right. So, all right. Thank you. That's that fruit guy. He sells fruits and vegetables on the Ave. And it's my neighbor. I always say how much, but he never charges me. I mean, I don't have a problem paying it. It's a fruit. Oh yeah, so much that I don't. This is supposed to be on. I don't know why it's not on. So there you have it, y'all. Canon Spyder Handlebar risers for the RT Limited, RT F3s. Go get you one. It's your boy Spyder Buck 1330. I'm out. Ride safe, like, share, subscribe to your family and friends. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. I'm out.